Welcome to Boki's TV.
Hi, friends!
Today we are going to talk about the secret lives of insects. Did you know that insects are everywhere? From the tiniest cracks in the pavement to the highest branches of trees, insects inhabit almost every corner of our world. They are the most diverse group of animals on Earth. You might spot a tiny ant carrying a crumb. These little workers are incredibly strong for their size, capable of carrying objects many times their own weight. Ants are known for their teamwork and organization, or maybe you'll see a bee buzzing around a flower. Bees are essential pollinators, transferring pollen from one flower to another, which helps plants reproduce. Insects live in so many different places. From dense forests to urban gardens, they have adapted to survive in a variety of environments. Some insects have wings and can fly. Butterflies and dragonflies are not only beautiful, but also play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Others crawl on the ground or even live underground. Beetles, ants, and many other insects have adapted to life on or beneath the soil. They come in all shapes and sizes. From the tiniest fireflies to the largest beetles, the diversity of insects is truly astounding. Some are brightly colored, while others blend in with their surroundings. Bright colors can warn predators of toxicity, while camouflage helps insects avoid detection. Insects might seem small, but they play a big role in our world. They are crucial for pollination, decomposition, and as a food source for many other animals. Let's go on an adventure. Grab your magnifying glass and join us as we delve into the fascinating world of insects. Who knows what tiny wonders we'll uncover next? Have you ever seen ants marching in a line? Where are they going? These tiny creatures are on a mission, and each one knows exactly what to do. Ants live in colonies, which are like big families with lots of ants. These colonies can be found in various places, from your backyard to deep forests. They work together to gather food and build their homes. This teamwork is essential for their survival and helps them thrive in different environments. Each ant has a special job to do. Some ants are foragers, some are builders, and others have unique roles that keep the colony running smoothly. The queen ant lays eggs, ensuring the colony continues to grow. She is the heart of the colony and can live for many years. Worker ants collect food and take care of the young ants, or larvae. They make sure everyone in the colony is fed and healthy. Soldier ants protect the colony from danger. They are the defenders, always on the lookout for threats and ready to fight if needed. Ants are very strong for their size. They can lift and carry objects that are many times heavier than their own body weight. They can carry objects much heavier than themselves. This strength is crucial for transporting food and building materials back to the colony. They communicate with each other using smells and touch. How amazing is that? They leave scent trails to guide their fellow ants to food sources and back home. Next time you see an ant, stop and watch it for a bit. You might notice how they interact and work together in perfect harmony. You might be surprised by what you see. These tiny workers are a fascinating example of nature's incredible complexity and cooperation. Buzz, buzz, buzz! The sound of a bee is unmistakable. Can you hear the sound of a bee? It's like nature's tiny orchestra at work. Bees are incredibly busy insects that fly from flower to flower collecting nectar. They visit countless blossoms in their quest. They use this nectar to make honey, a sweet treat that we love to eat. Honey is not just delicious, it's a marvel of nature's engineering. Bees have a special tongue, called a proboscis, that helps them suck up nectar from flowers. This tongue is perfectly adapted for their needs. They store the nectar in a special pouch in their bodies, known as the honey stomach. This allows them to transport it back to the hive. When they return to the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees through a process called trophallaxis. This teamwork is essential for honey production. These bees then turn the nectar into honey by adding enzymes and reducing the water content. It's a fascinating transformation. Bees also play a crucial role in pollinating plants. Without them, many plants wouldn't be able to reproduce. Pollen is a powdery substance that helps plants make seeds. It's vital for the growth of new plants. When bees visit flowers, they carry pollen from one flower to another. This process is called cross-pollination. This helps plants grow and produce fruits and vegetables. Our gardens and farms thrive because of these tiny pollinators. So next time you enjoy a delicious apple or a juicy watermelon, remember to thank a bee. Their hard work makes it all possible. Have you ever seen a caterpillar munching on a leaf? Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies. They spend their days eating and growing. When a caterpillar is big enough, it forms a chrysalis around itself. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly. When the butterfly is ready, it emerges from the chrysalis with beautiful wings. It flutters its wings and flies off to find food and a mate. Butterflies love to drink nectar from flowers. The transformation from caterpillar to butterfly is one of nature's most amazing miracles. Have you ever seen fireflies lighting up the night sky? Fireflies are not actually flies, but beetles. They have a special organ in their abdomens that produces light. Fireflies use their light to communicate with each other. They flash their lights to attract mates or to warn off predators. Each species of firefly has its own unique flash pattern. Next time you're out on a summer night, look for fireflies flashing their lights. It's like watching a magical light show. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. A gardener's friend. Ladybugs are small, colorful beetles that are often found in gardens. They are a welcome sight for gardeners because they help control pests. Ladybugs love to eat aphids, tiny insects that can damage plants. A single ladybug can eat thousands of aphids in its lifetime. That's a lot of pest control. Next time you see a ladybug in your garden, say thank you for helping to keep your plants healthy. Can you hear the grasshopper's song? Chirp, chirp, chirp. That's the sound of a grasshopper singing its heart out. Grasshoppers are insects that are known for their jumping abilities and their chirping sounds. Grasshoppers make their chirping sounds by rubbing their legs together. They use these sounds to attract mates or to defend their territory. Next time you're in a field or meadow, listen for the chirping sounds of grasshoppers. They are a cheerful sign of summer. Insects, tiny but mighty. Insects may be small, but they are mighty creatures that play a vital role in nature. They help pollinate plants, control pests, and break down dead plants and animals. They are also an important food source for many animals. We need to protect insects and their habitats. We can do this by planting flowers that attract pollinators, using pesticides sparingly, and reducing our impact on the environment. Let's appreciate the amazing world of insects and all that they do for us. Go explore the amazing world of insects. Now that you know more about the secret lives of insects, it's time to go explore. Head outside and see how many different insects you can find. Observe their behaviors and see if you can figure out what they are doing. You can even create a bug hotel to provide a safe haven for insects in your backyard. Fill it with twigs, leaves, and pine cones to create cozy hiding places. The world of insects is full of wonder and discovery. So grab your magnifying glass and go explore.